In this video, I will show you how to make disposable masks and mask filters out of blue shop towels and some of the materials that you may already have in your house. Based on an article I read, 2 layers of these blue shop towels has better filtration than other filters they have tested. They named 2 brands of these towels that has the best filtration. I will add the link to this article below. Here are other options as well. This one is a white version of the Toolbox Blue Shop towels, but it seemed a little thinner and some pieces are irregular in shapes. This one is a lint-free rag and has the same texture as the inner lining of the surgical mask. I am still waiting for my order to arrive, so I won't be able to describe the texture of this hydro-knit material. Based on their website, it has a polypropylene material which many recommend for making masks. If you don't have a sewing machine at home to make a cloth mask, you can make a makeshift disposable mask using the shop towels I have shown earlier. For adult masks, grab 2 of the shop towels. Use a non-toxic adhesive to bind the towels together. If you don't have any glue, you can skip this step since this is just something that helps you work easier when you start folding the mask later. After you have binded the 2 layers of blue towels, fold it in half. Then fold each of the halves in threes, accordion style. Compared to the full accordion fold that you'll see in most videos, I find that this type of fold is easier to work with and fits better on your face. Once you have the towels folded, insert one of the rubber bands or hair tie on one end. Fold the end of the towel over and staple, catching the elastic in place. Do the same thing on the other end. Flip the mask over and push the ends of the staples in to prevent accidentally scratching yourself. If needed, loop another rubber band to each of the ends to make your elastic loop longer. Grab or cut a wire that is about 5 inches long for the adjustable nose bridge for your mask. In this example, I am using a twist tie. For a smaller sized mask, you can use one sheet of the towel and fold it in half. Next, I will show you how to make masks without sewing using 2 materials that you may already have in your house. First option is a bandana and 2 hair ties. We will add a sheet of blue shop towels folded in half for a filter. Add a 5-inch long pipe cleaner in between the folds of the towel. I find that among all of the videos I have seen, this type of folding create a much secure and fitted mask. The next option is one of those wide headbands or head wraps. Again, we will add a blue shop towel for a filter and wire for a nose bridge. If you already have a cloth face mask, you can create a filter using layers of these shop towels. I opt to use blue shop towel and the lint-free white towel together. Take 2 layers of the blue towel and 1 layer of the lint-free towel. Cut the layers into the size and shape you need it. Bind the filter either by sewing or using non-toxic glue. If your mask does not have a pocket for filter, you can just put the filter in between your face and the cloth mask. If your mask has a pocket for filter, insert the filter into your mask. Always remember to dispose your filter and disposable mask properly. Wash your bandana, headband, or cloth mask with soap after each use.